Hello everyone, welcome back. So today I will be talking about a few steps which will depict how we can create an instance of Azure Cognitive Services using PowerShell. So this session is for all those who are like command line lovers and would like to perform these activities using command line. So the very first thing which I will go is I will open in PowerShell. So make sure that it is open under the administrative mode, and once it is open, just quickly verify the version what it is running on. So it is saying 5.1, so version 5 and higher is the prerequisite for performing all these steps which I am going to demonstrate today. Now the very first thing which we need is we need to have an Azure Resource Manager module installed. So for installing that, we can type this command install module, and here we need to provide Azure RM. So if you are doing it for the very first time, it will go ahead and perform this installation for you. But for me, I have already installed it, so it may not take much time. Okay. Next thing which we need to do is to import this module. So this is a time-consuming step and may take close to a minute to get it finished. Okay, so module is imported. Next thing which we need to do is to connect with our Azure subscription. So for that, there is a command connect Azure RM account. Okay, so here it is prompting for our credentials, and you need to provide the same credentials which you use to log into our Azure portal. So I will quickly provide mine. Okay, so once it is connected successfully, you will see that there is a message on the screen. Okay, so here it is saying that it is connected and this is your subscription. Okay, now next thing what we need to do is, which is very important to get started with anything in Azure, is creation of the resource group. So for creating the resource group, there is a command new hyphen Azure RM resource group, and here you need to provide the name of the resource group. So we can provide name source group demo, or I can reduce its name. Okay, and then we need to provide the location, that in which region you want this resource group to be created. So West US is very close to me, so I am going with that, and you can see that it is provisioned successfully. Next thing is we need to go ahead and create an instance of Azure Cognitive Services under the same resource group. So for that, let's type in another command, Cognitive Services account, then resource group name. So you can grab the same resource group name. Okay, and then name of your cognitive service instance. So let's go with SH Cognitive Service instance, and the type, which is like here you need to mention cognitive services. Next parameter is the SKU name. So here I am going with S0, and at the end the last parameter which is required is the location, and recommendation is that you should create a cognitive service in the same resource group where your resource group is, in the same region where a resource group is created. So my resource group is in West US. So for this instance, I'm using the same region. Now, if you have created this instance before in Azure portal, you must have noticed that there is a small checkbox at the bottom which talks about some notice. And once you approve that, then only you can go ahead and proceed with your instance creation. So the same thing applies here also. So I will quickly acknowledge it. Okay, so you can see that it is created. Provisional status succeeded. Let's quickly go ahead and verify whether it is really created in our Azure portal. So I'm on my Azure portal. I will go to resource groups, and here you can see at the end there is a new resource group created. Its name is RESGRP demo. Let's give it few seconds because sometimes it takes time. So now you can see that the instance of cognitive service is appearing over here. And this is what I would like to show you today. So hope you enjoyed this video and keep watching until we meet next time. Thank you.